body to the ground. Okay, rigid body. Sir, even this one also will fall down, right? If I play, even the floor also will fall down. See, both are falling down. I don't want like that. Okay, it should be ease kinematic. Okay, ease kinematic. I'll switch on. Now play and check. Ease kinematic means it will become passive. Passive. Okay, it's not colliding. New physics center. Um, I told three times. Okay, others will get bored. Others will get bored. Okay, I'll tell you. After this, I'll tell you. Okay, yeah, yeah, that will be good, right? So, colliding, so it should be collided. Check it. Colliding and passing through. Okay, new physics material. Uh, Slider, I'll make it 0. Friction, I'll make it 0. Check it. Color is changing, but it has to bounce back. Plane, non-discretion, everything correct. Do one thing, add a cube. Cube. Now, falling down. Mesh collider is mixed. Okay, physics material is not there. Okay, so physics material, but no need. Mesh collider, physics material, no need. Yeah, play and check. Okay, so I'm removing is okay is trigger from the sphere from sphere. For this, I'll make it none. I'll make it none. Play and check. Yeah, it's working. But for this cube, I'll switch on is trigger. Is trigger. Now check. So whenever it enters, okay, whenever it enters into the cube, so the color will change. I'll keep camera angle. I'll keep the different camera angle like this. Simple alter. Play and check. Yeah, working. Okay, now it has to rise more. Now it has to rise more. Which one? Bounciness maximum. Okay, so this material. Okay, so this sphere, whenever it enters into this box, okay, color will change. Okay, that is the game. So play now. Yeah, understood. See. So I did it for color changing. You do it for cracking, particle effects. Okay, whenever it touch that one, some event will happen. It's called trigger. Okay, one more time. Shall I tell? Full? Everybody? For all? Hello? One more time. Shall I do it for? Okay, do it for one more time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So take new scene. Okay. Take new scene. Create light. Okay. Directional light. Okay. I told you my favorite light. Okay. So directional light. Then create camera. Make it 000. Later I'll drag it back. Now create plane surface or terrain, whatever you think. For that tree game we did, na, for that one only we can do this. Okay. Whenever it will touch that castle wall. Okay. So colors will change or a blast will happen. We can convert. Hmm? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ class ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, one second. Sorry. Okay. So plane surface. Okay. Make it 000. It will go to origin. Okay. That is one shortcut. You can use it. Erase it. Sphere. Bigger. Texture. Any texture you can add. Okay. It's very horrible. Don't add. So we bought one scene, right? That texture only we can add. Yeah. Okay. This texture we can add for the floor. For this one, material we can add. New material. Okay. This one we can add. So physics things I am deleting. Okay. So there is no physics element materials. Okay. So one is material added, that normal color material. For this also material added to see good, and the lighting shadows not added till now. So shadows I will do hard shadows or soft shadows, anything you can use. Okay. Soft shadows will have blur, hard shadows no blur. Okay. And very hard it will be there. Now add rigid body to this so that it will fall. Once I will play and check, so what is happening? Nothing will happen actually. So how you are seeing on the same way it will be there. Okay, nothing is happening. Good. So now select that sphere. Okay, add rigid body. Add rigid body. Now play and check. It will fall and it will stuck there only. It won't bounce back. Okay, it won't bounce. Understood till here? And now physics material you should create. Create a new physics material. This one. Okay, new physics material. So now, uh, sorry, you can drag up onto this. Second. Here is an non-physics material, means nothing is added. You drag drop here, you drag drop onto this, okay, it will connect here only. Okay. In the empty space, if you drag drop also, it will connect here only. See, it connected. Okay. You drag drop onto this one. You drag drop on here. You drag drop onto empty space, but it will connect here only. Okay. And now it won't bounce back. Okay. You have to give, okay, one here bouncing
Sir,
and maximum. Tell me.
sir, we have to add the physics material in that sphere or in the options, sir. Where?
Option. See, here, near sphere collider.
Okay,
Any collider, mesh collider, sphere collider, surface collider will be there. Na? For that, this option will be there. There you should add.
okay, okay, sir. Okay,
Okay, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so you will forget this one. Okay, so note the point, Your Honor. Okay, don't forget.
okay, sir.
Okay, you will forget this one. Don't forget adding. Okay,
Okay,
this one also will forget because people will love what it will see. Okay, but connections and all they'll forget. So don't forget. Clear?
okay, sir.
And after that, see bounciness 0 will be there here. So it won't bounce. Okay, this one. Average will be there here. It will bounce only half of this. Okay, every time half, again next time half, like that it will happen. No, I want every time maximum height. Okay, that is what I had given. Bounce combined. Now play and check. It will bounce to the same height. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it will bounce to the same height. Super. Now I want to give triggers to this. So first I'm going to save. Okay, trigger example. Okay, scene I saved. Then I have to create any cube or plane surface. Okay, I'll create a plane surface. Okay, this one. Whenever this one will get collided with any object. Okay, it will collide with this object. It will collide with this object. Okay, it has to change the color of that collider. Okay, it has to change the color of this one. Sorry, it has to change the color of this one. So that code you can give to this. You can give to this. Whichever is colliding, you can give to that. But in this case, I am giving for this sphere collider. Okay, that color changing code. Okay, so add new script. Okay, you have to give a name. Okay, change color trigger. So now what I'm doing, CCT. Okay, this is my code name. Okay, CCT, change color trigger. Okay, okay, this is my CCT. Double click. Okay, it will open here. Then okay, you copy this code. You copy this code, paste here. Understood till here? CCT is there, name don't change. That's why I'm copying the center one. I'm not copying the full one. Why? Because the last one will be big name, different name will be there. Okay, every time I'll change this name. Okay, I'll copy only this one. Okay, that is my habit of doing it. Okay, you also follow the same thing. It is easiest method.
Okay,
Okay, and then that's it. Come here. Now if I play, it will pass through, but no, it will collide with this plane surface. It won't change the color. Okay, it won't change the color. It will collide with this plane surface. Now it will happen like that. Why? Because I didn't switch down the trigger. Correct? Okay, now I'll switch on the trigger for this plane surface. Okay, so mesh collider. Okay, so uh, mesh collider triggered. Again, no physics material. Just give this physics material. Trigger is disabled. Okay, now it is triggered. See this? Trigger is on. It will pass through this now. Now it will pass through. Whenever it will touch this one, color will change. Understood? See? Two-sided wall means two times it will change. Only one side wall means only one time it will change. Clear?
yes, sir.
Okay, so one more material I'm creating. This one. Here I'll add, make it green or something. Okay, albedo metallic. Okay, so opaque. It's transparent. Okay, so I had given transparent. Where is the transparent option? Yeah, it is already transparent. Click. So it won't appear. Okay, slightly appearing. Color we have to change. This level. See this? So it will enter, color will change. Okay. So this one, okay, here is a color, pick the color. Okay. Here you have to write, okay, you do that effect. Okay, you blast it. Okay, that effect you have to call the function. Understood? Okay, so the only change is that. Okay, now if everybody understood, I'll tell the tips and tricks how to learn coding. Okay, way to start, way to end. I will tell the tips and tricks.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, we can't keep the trigger as a floor, no, sir. We can't use the trigger plane as a floor, no, sir.
Colliding you can keep, but it will pass through.
Past. Okay,
It
sir.
will pass through. It is working, but it is pass through. Okay, it will go. So below that you have to keep one more. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the option? Control D, slightly keep down, slightly keep it down. Okay, the top one, okay,
Yes, sir.
this one, switch on the trigger. Okay, so now here also it will work. Yeah. Okay, shall I delete this one? Delete. Okay, this one having a trigger slightly above. Now play and check. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. So you want to learn coding? Okay, I'm not saying okay. So today only you can get it. Okay, little bit what you call the language change. So Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, English. How you are learning? It will take more time. Okay, so if your parents are talking that language, you will get that language easily. Okay, so okay here what are the points I will tell you to learn now? First start with the data types. Okay, data types. So, sir, what are these data types? Int, float, boolean. Okay, so int, float, boolean, vector, um, array. Okay, so array is little bit advanced. Int, float, boolean, vector. Mm, hmm? No, no. That is different. Okay, these are all the data types. Some are string is there, character and string, char and string. Okay, these data types you have to learn first. Okay, I'll make it smaller. Okay, this is the first step of learning any language. Python, okay, C hash, C plus plus, okay, Cobalt, any language. Okay, so this is the first step of learning coding. Second step, loops. Okay, so loops, for loop, while loop, okay, do while, okay, do while, yeah. So that is conditions. Okay, second step is conditions actually. Conditions. Then loops. Okay. So this is if else. This is condition. Okay. Then loops you have to learn for while, do while, and switch case. Switch case. Okay. Loops you have to learn. Then afterwards, okay, you have to learn functions. Okay. Functions. So how to create a function? Okay. How to call a function? Then what do you call functions with sending the variables. Okay, function with sending the variables. No, assigning variables is here. Data types. We are sending the variable means some one number we are sending, and it will do some process and it will send some another value. Okay, I'll show here. This is a function. This is a function. Okay, but in this function there is nothing, variable is nothing. You can give 10, you can give some x, you can give some y, like this you can give some value. Okay, so this is the calling function. Okay, this is calling and this is the actual function. Okay, it will do some operation and it will send some value to this. Okay, this is calling function. I'll say some 10, I'm sending 10, so I'm giving x here. This 10 will come and okay, assigned to this x, it will do some process and you have to send it back. Okay, okay, sending and calling you have to learn. Sending and calling with values. Okay, these are functions. Then classes. Okay, classes and objects. In this, okay, what is a friend class? Private, public. One is another one is private, public, and one more is there. Okay, so these things you have to learn. Okay, so Private, public, one more is there. Okay, so yeah, let it be. Okay, you check it. At least you have to learn this one. Okay, if you want to learn the coding, at least you have to learn these things. Understood? Ah, so this is C. Hmm. No, no, I'm talking for all remaining all the people. Okay, so I'm telling to all the people who wants to. That's what I'm saying. At least you have to learn this one. To write a code, you have to learn at least till here. This is mid level. This is mid level. This role is mid level. Okay. Okay. So this one, any language, you have to learn this. Any language. Maya embedded language. 3D script, na 3D script is 3ds Max one. H script is Houdini script. Okay. Python is for every software. Okay. It can embed into every software. Python. Okay. So Python, what is the specialty? You are not learning these basics. Okay. Python. Okay. Already maybe one code will have thousands of lines. Okay, it is already ready-made kind of language. Okay, Python. So that's why it's so popular. Uh, so one code, if you call, suppose what is the function? Okay, maybe wrap. Okay, wrap. If I call like this,
Sir,
okay.
can you use Python in Unity and Unreal?
Oh, you can embed. It is there. It is there. Okay. But this one wrap, if you call, na, but this is small function. It is you are looking. It is looking like small function. But it consists of thousands of lines. They already wrote it. Some people wrote it. We are using it. Okay, understood. Python is made up of C, C++, C hash. Okay, but by using Python, you can do so many things. Understood? Understood. So that is the plus point with Python. Python, it will work in Houdini. Python will work in 3ds Max. Python will work in RealFlow, Unity, Unreal, Maya. Python will work everywhere. Clear?
And why is C Sharp preferred, sir, for Unity?
Again I'm saying. Okay, so C Sharp is the core language for this. Mel is the core language for Maya. Okay, that is the first language. This is for two add-ons, just an add-on. Okay, so one function. This function will have thousands of lines. Okay, which was written here, which was written in C hash only. Understood? Python the functions are there, no? It was written in C and C hash only. Clear? So if you know Python, you can do more work with less time, with lesser time. Understood? So this is the advantage with Python. But first you should learn this. Then afterwards you should learn this. Clear? Yeah. So Python, you can use it in financial programs, e-learning apps, what do you call enterprises. Okay, that's supermarket enterprise software. Okay, there also you can write Python. Okay, your e-commerce things also you can do with Python. Understood? Shall I copy paste to your group? You want it or yeah? Okay, I sent to you. Clear? Okay, so that is what triggers today. Okay, and this one. Any other doubts you have? Any other doubt you have? Only Python you can't write. Okay, only Python you can't write in Unity. Okay, you can't do any works in Unity. Only Python. Okay, Python is an added, even more added. If you want any tool
Sir,
here,
is Python
hmm,
really important for this Unity, or it's okay if we cannot use it?
mid-level till mid-level, no need. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Okay, if you want to add any buttons here, yeah, so that button will do some work. You need Python, like buttons. If you want to create some buttons like this. Okay, if you click that button, it has to break it. If you click that button, it has to do dynamics like ready works. If you want to do, then Python is necessary. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? You tried it the ball game. Anybody one at least one person? The ball one, then when we will do this character one? Will come. Okay, next level. Okay, do it and send the video here. Do it and send the video. How to take the output? Okay, I told you. Do it and send the video here in the group. Okay, at least on some 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Which one? Video recorder. So package manager in that recorder. Okay, so in this toolkit audio animation recording, where is it? Sequencing timeline. Here recorder, a general recorder window, this one, quick recording also there. Okay, in this recorder you have to install. It is there by default 2020. By default will be there, just you have to install it. Okay, where is this register? Now in project option, in registry order. Yeah, Unity recorder. Okay, Unity recorder install. Then window general recorder and this one. Okay, clear everybody? Clear? I'm stopping the class here. Okay, I'm stopping the class here. Okay, thank you then everybody. Thank you
Thank you,
so much. Thank you so much.